Good morning, student. Today we discuss chapter 10, colonialism and the countryside. So, students, first of all I want to tell you what's the meaning of colonialism. Colonialism mean बस्तीवाद. पंजाबी में आप इसको बस्तीवाद बोल सकते हैं बेटे. इंग्लिश में आप इसमें बोल सकते हो कि अगर कोई कंट्री whenever they undertake any other country administratively and economically, this is called colonialism. Is that clear? Now I want to tell you about the countryside. It means village area, rural area, that called countryside. So here we will discuss about the colonialism and countryside. So students, first of all I want to tell you about the colonial rule. Colonial rule was established in Bengal. Is that clear? So it was this reason that the earliest attempt were made to reorder rural society and establish a new design of the land rights and new revenue system, which is new revenue system, permanent settlement. That was called permanent settlement. The permanent settlement came into operation in 1793. The permanent settlement came in operation 1793. Why it came over there? First of all, I discuss about that thing. Why it came in Bengal, permanent settlement. Actually by 1770 in Bengal, rural economy started undergoing lot of crisis due to famines were occurring frequently and agriculture output was declined. At that time agriculture declined. In 1770 Bengal rural economy was undergoing, so that's due to famine, so that's why agriculture was declined over there. Then British government worried about that. How could they improve their economic condition? Because they always took revenue from the people from agriculture production. Is that clear? So it was too difficult to recover such kind of the condition over there at that time. So British official thought that agriculture, trade and revenue resource of the state could only flourish the investment of agriculture. It only flourished the investment of agriculture. Is that clear? So that it could have been done by securing of all property rights and fixing permanent. So it could be curing only the permanent settlement, fixing revenue you can say. Is that clear? So it has been done by the securing all property right and by fixing permanent rates, revenue demands. That's why permanent settlement of land was introduced. Is that clear? That's why permanent settlement land was introduced over there in 1793, where in Bengal. Clear? Students, understand about that? So the permanent settlement came into in operation in 1793. According to this, East India Company had fixed the revenue. According to this, East India Company had fixed the revenue to be paid by zamindars. Company had fixed the revenue to be paid by zamindars. Is that clear? So after that, the East India Company had fixed revenue to be paid by zamindar. The estate of those zamindars were given by the British government, and when he failed in the pay revenues, at that time his estate was auctioned. बेटा जी, auction mean to say नीलामी. अगर कोई जमींदार रेवेन्यू पे करने में फेल हो जाता था, जो कि ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने जमींदारों को दिए गए थे रेवेन्यूज फिक्स करके दिए थे, जब वो फेल हो जाते थे इसको पे करने के लिए, एट दैट टाइम ऑक्शन वर देयर. इज दैट क्लियर? Why government gave the land and fixed the revenue to the zamindar? Because British government collect revenue from the peasants. British government collect revenue from the peasant. To whom they collect the revenue? From the peasant. Is that clear? Peasant mean farmer. Peasant mean farmer. Clear? and sometime they said riots. All are same. Peasants, farmers and riots, all are same. Is that clear? So British government want to collect the revenue from these people, but they were not collected directly from them. Is that clear? They were not collect directly from them. That's why they fixed that revenue to the jamindar, and after that they fix some villages over there. They distribute some villages to the jamindars. कुछ विलेजेस जो थे जमींदारों को दे दिए जाते थे, एंड आफ्टर दैट गेव देम ड्यूटी, यू हैव टू कलेक्ट द रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम देम. उनको ड्यूटी दे दी जाती थी कि आप वहां से रेवेन्यू कलेक्ट करोगे और फिर वो पे करेंगे, एंड आफ्टर दैट दे विल कलेक्ट फ्रॉम देम. अगर वो फेल हो जाते थे देन देयर स्टेट वाज ऑक्शनड ओवर देयर. इज दैट क्लियर? सो लिसन केयरफुली दिस. वी विल लास्ट द क्वेश्चन 2. इसमें मैं आपसे अभी 2 क्वेश्चन पूछ लेती हूँ. यू ट्राई टू राइट द आंसर्स कि when permanent settlement was established and where it was established. That's clear?